What if you could automate your most repetitive customer questions instantly? In this video, I will show you how to build a smart support bot using Claude that understands context, finds answers in your documents, and responds just like a human agent, all without touching complex code. Let's get started. Stop answering the same support tickets over and over again. Think of it as the difference between a scripted hotline and a truly helpful expert. Generic chatbots often fail when questions get complex. Claude's deep reasoning allows it to understand the subtle intent behind a frustrated customer's message, interpret incomplete information, and deliver a solution that feels human because it's built on actual understanding. So, what stops your current chatbot when it is faced with a massive, tangled customer history? Generic tools simply cannot hold it all. By feeding entire manuals and case logs into Claude, you are not just adding data, you are creating an agent with full institutional memory, ready to resolve layered issues in a single, coherent thought. But with Claude's API, you do not just get a smarter bot, you get a safer one. The underlying architecture is built to prevent toxic or biased outputs from the very start. This means your brand is automatically protected. The system is designed to consistently uphold your standards without requiring constant manual oversight or emergency intervention. Tired of AI seeming like magic? Let's build a real agent, not just concept one. Right now, you are at the most common failure point. That free account is your only gateway. Without the API key it generates, your chatbot is just an idea. This step is non-negotiable, and skipping it means everything that follows simply will not work. Let's get that key. This key isn't about permission, it's about power. You are not just copying a string of characters, you are wiring your application directly into Claude's reasoning. Guard it fiercely. Every future customer interaction, every intelligent response, hinges on this single credential. Losing it breaks your bot. This is the moment your idea transforms into a functioning agent. What are you testing right now, the API's strength or your own vision? The choice of tool reveals your confidence. With the web playground, you are choosing immediate, tangible proof. This isn't a practice run, it is the first conversation with the intelligence you are about to deploy. Stop hiring support teams. Let an AI agent work for you instead. This isn't about a generic assistant. You are engineering a specific employee. The system prompt is its genetic code. Define a name, a professional yet warm tone, and its singular mission, resolving customer issues. This foundational layer dictates every single interaction, transforming raw AI into your brand's frontline. Now, we hard-code its integrity. These are its operating principles, non-negotiable directives in its core. It must never invent an answer and must maintain a constructive tone. This transforms it from a language model into a reliable agent. The bot now has a moral compass, ensuring every response is both accurate and aligned. How do we go from principles to precise execution? You must teach it the difference between a helpful answer and a misleading one. Provide concrete examples, show the exact wording for a correct, ethical response, and then for a response it must never give. This is how you ingrain judgment, making its principles actionable in every single reply. Imagine answering support tickets without ever touching code yourself. This is where your generic chatbot becomes your specific expert. The key insight is that Claude will directly use this text as its exclusive source of truth. What this means is every answer it generates will now be grounded in your actual policies, eliminating guesswork and creating consistent, reliable support instantly. The API will merge this document with the live user query. Think of it as constructing a perfect, instant answer from your exact words. The pattern clearly indicates your chatbot's responses will now have the precise authority of your official documentation, transforming every interaction into a brand-consistent support experience. So, why just bullet points? Because Claude's AI can instantly navigate that structure. The key insight is it treats each header as a signpost, scanning for the exact section matching a user's question. This means your bot will not just guess, it finds the precise policy or answer, delivering consistent, on-brand support as if it memorized your entire manual. Forget expensive engineers. Build your AI support with a single API call. Think of the system prompt as your chatbot's soul, defining its personality. The context is its memory, containing what it knows about your business. When the user asks a question, that's the trigger. By structuring this single API call, you are not just sending data, you are creating a complete, intelligent conversation in one elegant command. Now, the API needs to see the whole story. A simple list of messages, each marked as user or assistant, creates a living record. This isn't a new question each time, it's one continuous, intelligent thread. You are building true memory into your bot, letting it understand anything the user has already said. This is where everyone gets it backwards. They obsess over the AI's creativity, but you are not building a poet. That temperature slider? Crank it down. You are engineering predictable, reliable replies. The goal isn't vibrancy, it is eliminating it. You want a system that responds like a seasoned professional, every single time, without deviation. That's real control. Imagine the AI agent handling support while you finally sleep soundly. Think like an adversary. Ask the questions a frustrated customer would. That's how you uncover the brittle edges before they break in production. The system's true resilience is measured here. Your goal isn't perfection, but finding the failure point so you can harden it. This is the final forge for your AI agent. Testing reveals the core of your bot's logic. When an answer fails, you are not fixing a mistake, you are discovering a hidden flaw in your instructions. That failed response is a direct signal from the AI, telling you exactly how it interpreted your command. Your job is to translate that signal into a clearer, more resilient rule. Why did it give that wrong answer? That specific failure is your cheat sheet. Don't just fix the error, decode it. The AI is showing you its flawed logic in plain text. Your power is to turn that flaw into an unbreakable instruction. This is how you harden your bot against every unexpected question. Stop hiring support agents. An AI built this in minutes. Perfect. Your bot's brain is live, but it needs a face. Do not keep that power locked in a code editor. The next critical move is immediate. Build the simplest possible web page. Think of a single text box where real customers can finally meet your AI. This is the exact moment your private prototype transforms into a public, functioning asset. Now, you shift from creator to strategist. The system must learn from its own interactions. Build a simple way for users to flag unhelpful answers. That small stream of data becomes your most powerful training tool, letting you refine responses and evolve the bot from a static tool into a living intelligence that truly understands your customers. Don't let it be a dead end. When your bot hits a wall, that's your signal. A smart routing system hands these complex, high-stakes conversations directly to your team. This bridges the gap between automation and human expertise, preserving customer trust and turning failed interactions into critical learning moments for your entire support system. You can build a powerful, context-aware support agent using Claude's API without deep technical skills. The quality of your system prompt and knowledge base directly determines your bot's effectiveness. Try building your own version and let me know in the comments what kind of questions you taught it to handle.